Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we'll go through the process of replacing the USB-C ports on your HP Spectre 13AP0002NS. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Next, carefully remove the back cover of the laptop. To do this, locate the screws along the perimeter of the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, placing them in a safe container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry the back cover off. Be cautious while doing this, as the clips can be delicate. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. After removing the back cover, it's time to locate the USB-C ports. They will be situated on the motherboard. Identify the ports and inspect for any visible damage. Sometimes, the issue might not be the ports themselves but rather the connections or soldering. If you notice any debris or dust inside the laptop, now is a good time to clean it out. Use compressed air to blow out any dust, and a soft brush can help with stubborn dirt. This cleaning can enhance airflow and prevent overheating. Now, to proceed with the replacement, you'll need to unscrew the USB-C ports from the motherboard. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the ports. Once the screws are out, gently lift the ports away from the motherboard. If the ports are soldered, you may need to use a soldering iron to detach them. Ensure you have experience with soldering to avoid damaging the motherboard. With the old ports removed, it's time to install the new USB-C ports. Align the new ports with the mounting holes on the motherboard and secure them using the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are firmly in place to ensure a good connection. Now that the new ports are installed, it's important to check the connections. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service can ensure everything is connected correctly without you having to worry. Next, replace the back cover by aligning it back onto the chassis. Secure it in place by reinserting all the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. Once everything is back in place, connect your laptop to power and turn it on. Test the new USB-C ports with a compatible device to ensure they are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our pickup and delivery service at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of calling or traveling. Finally, remember to quote before repair with any service you choose, ensuring you're aware of all costs before proceeding. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the USB-C ports on your HP Spectre 13AP0002NS. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.